Hello, industry friends and colleagues. This is Jason Wange with CalMill with your Monday Motivation. You know, we all have so many things clawing for our attention and our energy right now. So many hopes and dreams and fears and anxieties that it's easy to run out of energy to accomplish everything. And one of the simple things you can do to increase your energy to accomplish the things that matter is to look in your world at some of the smaller things, those things that you've been meaning to do that have been left incomplete. It might be cleaning out your emails, maybe it's fixing that baseboard or correcting the angle of that picture on your wall. Lots of little things that just hang around. Think of your energy like a bank account, and you only ever have 100 chips in that bank account. Well, all those little things take a chip. So the more little things you have hanging around out there, the less energy you have in that bank account to put towards the things that matter. So for all those little things that you can knock out, you'll find you'll have increased energy and confidence to knock out the big things. The other thing to recognize is that when you have lots of little things in your life left undone, your subconscious looks at that and says, you know what, if I can't handle the small things in my life, then I can't handle the more important, larger things either. And we want you to know that you can handle those. So make a list of some of those incompletes in your life and start knocking them off day by day, week by week, and you'll find you'll have increased energy for the things that matter. From all of us at CalMill, we're grateful to be in this with you. Upgrade your presentation, upgrade your expectations, and upgrade your results. We'll see you next week.